NIO's battery business is booming. Plus, drones are delivering license plates? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, The Wealthy Mindset. It's yours truly, Money Making Mitch. And as usual guys, this is not financial advice. Please do your own due diligence and research. What if you can buy an EV and have your license plate dropped out of the sky while your battery is swapped in under 3 minutes? That future is basically here in China. In today's video, we're looking at two massive developments in China that are set to supercharge the NIO ecosystem, specifically its battery asset operator Merarity, and how drone deliveries are about to make buying an EV smoother than ever before. First up, let's talk about Merarity. This is NIO's battery asset operator, the company that manages the battery as a service, or BaaS program. They just made a major move in the interbank market. Yesterday on March 23rd, Merarity successfully issued a new green asset-backed medium-term note, or ABN. We're talking about a total value of 1 billion yuan, which is about 145 million US dollars. Now here is why this matters for NIO and its users. This issuance wasn't just successful, it saw strong demand from investors. Yes, this is why I always say to the retail investors, pull your pants up and be a man. There are investors out there that are willing to put in millions and millions of dollars, and they are lined up. And the issuance price trended downward. That's a clear signal that the capital market has high confidence in Merarity's business model. They are continuously broadening their financing channels. The new round of funding is specifically aimed at deploying battery asset businesses and fueling technological research and innovation. And this isn't a one-off event. No, it's not. Just last month, Merarity closed a Series C3 financing round, also for 1 billion yuan, bringing its strategic state-owned shareholders. They also completed the world's first held for investment power battery REIT. You heard that right. To give you an idea of the scale here, Merarity now manages over 42 gigawatt hours of battery asset, serving nearly 600,000 users. By securing these funds through green financing tools, they are lowering their financing costs and increasing operational efficiency for NIO. This means the BaaS network becomes more sustainable, scalable, and cost-effective for everyone. Now let's talk about something that directly impacts the customer experience: vehicle registration. In China, a new pilot program has launched where drones are being used to deliver these license plates. Yes, you heard that right. China is like light years ahead. It's like watching the Jetson movies unfold. Traditionally, after buying a car, you have to wait for the plates to be shipped, which can take days and delays your time on the road. But the drone delivery, the time between purchasing the car and getting it fully registered, is shrinking from days to just hours. So how do these two stories connect to create a massive positive impact for NIO? With this new capital, Merarity can expand the battery swap network faster and invest in next-gen battery tech. The BaaS model is NIO's biggest competitive advantage. By ensuring Merarity has deep pockets and low-cost capital, NIO can offer better battery flexibility, maintain its lead in the asset-heavy infrastructure game without straining its own balance sheet. NIO prides itself on being a user enterprise. The goal is to provide a seamless experience. By integrating with this new drone delivery logistics, NIO could potentially offer a full-service delivery package. Imagine ordering a NIO, having it delivered to your door, and within hours a drone lands with your plates while you're using the battery swap network to top up. It eliminates the waiting for paperwork, anxiety that often comes with EV purchases. Both of these developments reinforces NIO's brand image as a leader in technology and innovation. Merarity use of green ABN show financial sophistication, and sustainability leadership. Meanwhile, utilizing drone tech for registrations aligned perfectly with NIO's high-tech futuristic branding. It sends a message to consumers: with NIO, you're not just buying a car. You're getting access to the most advanced infrastructure and logistics ecosystem in the industry. So to wrap it up, Merarity is raising capital efficiently to expand the battery swap empire. And China is rolling out drone logistics to speed up registrations. For NIO, this means lower operational costs for their core battery as a service and a faster, more delightful experience for their customers. It's a combination of strong financial execution and cutting-edge logistics that is setting the stage for NIO to scale up even further. So I hope you guys found this video yet again to be informational, inspirational, and motivational. If so, guys, boop, boop, don't forget to hit that thumbs up. It takes a lot of time to do these videos and the editing. And if you haven't yet subscribed, you might want to think about doing so, because in this channel, we are waking up the middle class for the first time to get a major piece of the pie from the ground level up as to how the games are played on Wall Street. And like 50 said, we get rich or we die trying, guys.